Hey guys, it's Mike and George with Legendary DIY. Today we're going to be cutting and gluing PVC pipe for plumbing applications. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is cut the pipe. Now to do this you have several options. You can go with the typical hacksaw. Your next option will be a sawzall. But what we prefer to use is plastic tubing cutters because they produce a nice square edge, which is perfect for what we're doing here today. So we're going to go ahead and cut the pipe. Okay, now that the pipe is cut, we're going to go ahead and ream the inside of the pipe. And after that, we're going to put a bevel on it. All right, at this point, we're going to be ready to glue our fitting and pipe together.
Mike, why do we put the bevel on the pipe?
We put the bevel on the pipe so that it sits up against this bevel inside of the fitting.
And you get that perfect joint. Awesome.
Exactly. So for this, we're going to start with primer. This is messy stuff, as you can see. But you want to get the inside of the pipe real good. All right. Once that's primed up, we're going to go ahead and get the glue. Now for this, it's easier to glue the fitting first because you can hold it in your hand. You want to get all the way around. You glue your pipe. Push your fitting on, give it a quarter turn, and hold it for about 30 seconds. All right, now you wipe off your excess. And that is the proper way to glue PVC pipe together.
Looks clean, Mike.
Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.